Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a colorful peacock together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw a circle for the head. Draw a curved line in the shape of an elongated drop. This will be the body of the peacock. Draw the wings with two curved lines. Draw two small lines in the shape of the letter U underneath the body. Trace the paw with two vertical lines and three small letters U for the toes. Do the same thing for the other paw. Wow! Our design is taking shape! Trace the peacock's crest. Draw two circles for each eye. Draw a square for the beak and split it into two. Now draw the peacock's tail like I do. Wow! Our peacock friend turned out really well! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use red for the first part of the tail. Use orange for the second part of the tail. Color the third part with yellow. Use green for the fourth part of the tail. Use indigo for the fifth part. Color the sixth part with blue. And use purple for the last part of the tail. Use black for the eyes. Use light blue for the head, body, and wings. And use orange for the beak and legs. Wow! Our peacock is beautiful and colorful, with all those rainbow tones. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!